In the last section, we were able to finally test out our application inside of a web browser. So this is awesome. We're now ready to start thinking about how we're going to deploy this application off to AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Let's first begin with a quick review of how we deployed our single container setup. So we were pushing our code to GitHub. We then set up Travis CI to automatically pull in our repository. Travis built an image out of all of our code, so it ran the actual Docker build command. It then used the built image to test out our code base, specifically by running that npm run test command. Travis then pushed all of our code to Elastic Beanstalk through the use of that deployment script. And then finally, once the code showed up over on Elastic Beanstalk took all of our code, built the image again, and deployed it to a running web server. So as we said at the start of all this multi-container stuff, having Elastic Beanstalk build our images was probably not a very good approach, because we were building everything out far more often than it had to be. And we were also relying upon a running web server to have to download a bunch of dependencies and build an image for us, which kind of kept it from doing its primary job of serving web requests. So this time around, we're going to use a slightly different deployment flow, although in general, most of these pieces are going to look very similar. All right, so here's what we're going to do for our multi-container setup. We're still going to be using a primarily Travis CI-driven deployment flow. So all you are going to have to do is deploy your code to GitHub, then Travis CI will pull your code down and immediately start to run some build process on it. So we push to GitHub, Travis pulls down your repo. We're going to have Travis then build a test image, or in other words, it's going to build out that kind